Hey, independent seventh graders, it's Mrs. Hinckley here and with Mrs. Douglas. And today we're going to be talking about the median, finding the median of a set of data. The median is a fancy way of saying the middle. But when we find the middle of a set of data, we have to make sure that the data first off is in order. And usually it's written in order from smallest to largest. That's what they mean by ascending order, meaning that it's counting up. So it says the data set shows the weights of some cats in a shelter, and the LB right here stands for pounds. So it's 14 pounds, 9 pounds, 12 pounds, 18 pounds, 11 pounds, 7 pounds, and 10 pounds. And so they've put them in order from least to greatest. And then we're supposed to find the value that is exactly in the middle. To do that, you're going to start at the lowest end and cross off that weight, and then come over to the highest end and cross it off. And we're just going to go back and forth from low to high, until we get one value left in the middle. And that is why they have said that the median or middle weight is 10 pounds. Now, sometimes you might have a set of data such as 15, 3, 15, and 14. So if we wanted to find the middle of that set of data, we would again start by putting them in order from smallest to biggest. So I've put the 3 to the left because it's the smallest, 15 is the biggest. 4 pieces of data, 4 pieces of data. Now I'm going to cross them off from smallest to biggest. When I get here, I realize there are 2 pieces of data in the middle, so it's going to be right in between there. Now, sometimes you can just see, oh, I know what that would be. But if you don't, what you can always do is average or find the mean of those 2 values. So we could do 14 plus 15, and then divide that whole thing by 2. So that would be 29 divided by 2. Oh, I'm stuck. So let me get my calculator. 29 divided by 2 is going to give me 14.5, 14 and a half. That would be right here in between. That makes sense. This right here is called a dot plot. And a dot plot is another way that you can find or you can arrange data. This is talking about the number of children in a family. So all of these dots here, this is a family with 1 child, another family with 1 child, and a third family with 1 child. This family right up here has 5 children. These 2 families both have 4 children in them. So that's kind of how it's laid out. If I wanted to find the median number of children, again, I'd go from low to high. So I'm going to mark the lowest dot on the left and the highest dot on the right. Lowest on the left, highest on the right would be right here. Lowest on the left, highest on the right, lowest on the left, highest on the right, lowest on the left, highest on the right. And now we're all in the same row. So here's my lowest, here's my highest, here is the exact middle dot. The median number of children in a family would be 3. You have some example problems to try on your own that have numbers or some data listed as a list of numbers, and you even have 1 or 2 to try with some dot plots. So try your hardest. Have a great time today, and we'll talk to you later.